Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at shortcuts we can use to enhance our data filtering skills. If you're interested in following along using the workbook or the data I will be using, please check the link in the video description below. The data we are using contains records of different product valuations by different companies at different times. Suppose we are scanning through our data and come across a suspicion that records with expected valuation of 150,000 seldom occur. There is one right here, and when we scroll down, we find another one at row 40. We may want to quickly confirm or deny our suspicion without manually scanning through all the records. We can filter our list and look at the number of records with 150,000 expected valuation. If that value has its cell active, we can right-click with the mouse or press the right-click shortcut key on the keyboard, and then hover the filter option or press E on the keyboard. Of the options that appear, we want to filter by the selected cell's value, so we will click that or press V on the keyboard. The filter has been applied. It turns out that only 5 records have this value. If we had not used this approach, we would have first shown the filter buttons, then clicked on the expected valuation filter, deselect all, look through the options to find the 150,000 value, selected it, and then clicked OK. You can imagine the number of steps we have skipped. The next shortcut is on how to turn the filter buttons if they are not already turned on. We can use the left arrow key on the keyboard to move our active cell within the data range. If we press CTRL+SHIFT+L keys on the keyboard, the filter buttons get displayed on the header row. Pressing the same key combination CTRL+SHIFT+L again removes the filter buttons. Thus, to turn filtering on or off, we can use the keyboard shortcut CTRL+SHIFT+L. Use this shortcut if you want to be quick and also if you intend keeping your hands on the keyboard most of the time. Now that we have the filters turned on, how do we select an option and apply a filter? Let's make the product name cell active, that is cell C1. Press Alt plus down arrow keys to show the filter drop-down options. We can use the down arrow key on our keyboard to move to select all. The spacebar key is used to select or deselect from the drop-down list, so pressing the spacebar deselects all. We want to filter for records belonging to product CT, so press the spacebar to select it. Pressing the Enter key OKs the selection. Then we see records for only product CT. Once again, the idea is to keep our hands on the keyboard as much as possible. Let's add one more shortcut. We know that an Excel table comes with filter buttons already displayed. So why not convert our list range into an Excel table? To convert a range into a table, make sure the active cell is within the list range. Now press CTRL+T on the keyboard. The range selection is OK, and we want our tables to have headers, so we press the Enter key to activate the OK button. We have a table with filter command on each column header. You can go ahead and apply filters using the shortcuts we have talked about. I hope you find these shortcuts useful. Thanks for watching.